The Hankook Ventus Evo versus the Kumho Ecsta Sport S, Korea's top UUHP battle. The Ventus has led Hankook's lineup for years, but the Ecsta Sport S may finally shake things up. Can Kumho break free from Hankook's shadow? Let's dive in. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Ventus Evo set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from AutoView's 2025 UUHP Summer Tyre Test. Let's start in wet. In braking, from 80 to 0 km per hour, the Ecsta Sport S stops 0.29 meters shorter, about 1% better than the Ventus Evo. But it's in the wet cornering test where Kumho really pulls ahead, 2.8 km per hour faster on wet circle, a 4% edge. Grip and control in the rain, advantage Kumho. Dry braking tells a similar story. Kumho stops 1.4 meters earlier, that's a 4% improvement. On the dry handling track, Kumho clocks in 0.64 seconds faster lap, again a 1% lead. Subjectively though, both tie with a handling feel rating of 6.2. So while Kumho ages out in the data, they feel equally sharp to the driver. When it comes to refinement, Kumho is just slightly ahead. It's a 1 decibel quieter, about 2% less noise, and earns a marginal 0.1 point more in comfort score. It's subtle, but it's there. Here's where Hankook really claws back, rolling resistance. In the test, the Ventus Evo outperformed by rolling 99 meters further, a full 22% more. That means better fuel economy or more range for EVs. Now, pricing. For the 275/35 R19 size, the Kumho Ecsta Sport S is 9% cheaper compared to the Hankook Ventus Evo. In summary, the Hankook Ventus Evo still holds value with its excellent rolling resistance, ideal for efficiency-minded drivers. But the Kumho Ecsta Sport S is a statement. With better wet grip, shorter braking, less noise, and a lower price, this is a turning point for Kumho. They are no longer catching up, but they are in the fight.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.